Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and wrapping up. I am wrapping up Fenty. I have already shampooed my hair, and remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below in the description box and in the end cards for you to check out after this one. So I've already did my double cleanse. So I used Azure Beauty to clarify and then followed it up with the Fenty shampoo. Still love the smell. I still love the smell of the Fenty shampoo. So I got a good thorough cleanse with that. I wrapped up using the Richer One deep conditioner. So that is completely done. I've already applied the Comeback Kid to my hair. I am using it as my leave-in conditioner. Only a tad bit of this left, maybe one more use. And finally, gonna go in with the end of the Homecurl cream. So Dana said that it worked well. She liked it for her twist outs. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for my twist out. This will be the end of this officially. So half of my Fenty Beauty things will be gone. I have that protective shield thing. I've not used that at all because I don't use heat on my hair. So that's like still brand new in the box. If you want it, let me know. I'll send it to you. Okay, so gonna go ahead and do this. The hair is already pre-separated. As you can see, my sweet spot with my twists are anywhere from 19 to 22, 23, somewhere in there like that. So we've seen me do this before, but I'll come back once I get to the front of my hair so we can see how I do my twists. If you are brand new here, hello. And then, yeah. Let it set, let it dry, come back in a couple of days, take it down. We'll see how my twists look, and then officially wrap up using Fenty hair. All right, so let's get into it. I'll come back when I get to the front, or the sides at least. So I was watching a video and got wrapped up in the video and completely forgot to come back to show you all me twisting my hair. But I have a whole playlist of me doing twists. So if you're interested in how I twist my hair, like what? Physically, like the literal motion of it, you can check out any of my twist videos. But here are all of the twists, how they all look. I have not counted them, but there were definitely 9 in the back, so it's always 9 in the back, 4 on the side. So we definitely always end up with at least 12 between, no, 13, sorry. 13 between the back and the sides, and then through the middle, roughly it's like 6, 7, 8. So that puts me right within that 19 to 22, 23 twist range. I tried to keep them as even as possible. I did some parting, but not a whole lot of it. Material helped me out with that. So did some parting in some areas, then the rest I just kind of grabbed and felt, and tried to make them even. So here's how the hair looks. I'm going to let it dry, let it set my hair for a couple of days, and then take it down, and we'll see how the twist out came out using Fenty hair. Okay, I will be welcome. No. Hey, it's me. Okay, it is morning. A couple of days later, I am dressed and ready for work. I am, hold on, Alia. Let's take the hair down. I need to get ready so I can get out of here. I already have oil on my hands. So let's take the twist down and see how they look. First set here. Not bad at all, precious. And gonna separate them. First section, the rest. Okay, so just a cool little fluff of the roots. I didn't separate anymore. And it looks good. I think it looks really good. Got a good amount of shine. I did have oil on my hands, but yeah, it looks good. The definition is really good on this. The hair the twist did dry with a firmness. It definitely felt like there was the twists were holding. There was definitely a cast on it. So, you know, as with the wash and go I did with this combo, it does something. This is the combo with the products. These two always should be together. They should never be apart. But I will come back after work today. We'll see how the hair looks since it is raining. Like I said, we'll close out the video. And that will be the wrap of me and Fenty hair for right now. All right, I will be back later. Look, bed ain't even made and it ain't gonna be made. I got to go. Go. Hey, it me. Okay, just literally walked in the door off of work and coming to wrap up the comeback kit as my leave-in and the Homecurl cream, using them for my twist out. So as I mentioned, cool day today. It rained all day, super humid. I actually did pop out. I went and got me a coffee. So like the hair's been outside some. There's been some movement with it. Let me bring you in closer.
This is cozy.
So let me show you how the hair looks. This is a really good twist out. This is a really, really good twist out. I didn't do anything extra. At some points during the day, you know, I was playing in my hair. I found pieces that may have been like a little bit thicker, and I would just simply pull them apart. Nothing too crazy, just at work, and was like, you know, just still some light separation. It's really good. Like, it's like, let me see. Okay, let me move the camera back some so I can show y'all the back. Okay, so here's the back side. Other side. Top. Front. Yeah, it's down a little bit. Yeah, it's a really, really good combination. Like I said, when I did my hair this morning, when I did my twist initially, my twist had a really solid cast on them. Not crunchy, but it was a cast, definitely, which, you know, I think definitely contributed to, you know, the very clear and very great definition that I do have in my hair. Of course, I'll see how this holds up over the next couple of days. I'll probably come back, you know, Saturday, Sunday, just to give y'all like a few day update to see how it really held up. Y'all know I don't do much to my hair. I'm gonna pineapple this and go to sleep with it, or, you know, wrap it up in my scarf and go to sleep with it. So we'll see how well it really holds up. Feeling the twist right now. They are kind of soft, but there's still some hold to it. They're not super soft. It's not pillowy. How do I describe it? Because my hair is soft, but the twists themselves have a hold on them. Like, they don't feel like I'm touching this and it's just gonna come apart. Like, I'm not gonna touch them and just frizz develops. Like, that's not what it feels like. There's some hold to the twist still, but the hair does feel really soft and it does feel really, really, really moisturized. Of everything that I've tried out of the Fenty hairline, this is the combination that I do like. And I will say that I like this combination for the twist out better than I liked it for my wash and go. Like, it did decent for my wash and go for a cream, but yeah, this, to me, this is like a really, really, really great twist out. This is a really, really, really great twist out. If it was something that you decided to try and you have a tighter curl texture, this would be the combo. This would be the style to do it in. And of course the smell is this. Smells so good. All right, so yeah, this is gonna wrap up. Oh, and I did mention there's still a little bit left in here. There is still a tiny, tiny bit in here, like this much left, a little less than half of this 3.4 ounces. A little less than that, half left. Probably do another twist out again, or I might leave this underneath something else, or this, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, I need to use them up. I really like this now. So yeah, this is the hair, but I am wrapping up in finality, in totality, me using the Fenty hair. Make sure you check out all of the other videos so that you can see how everything else works per my opinion, and just how things turned out when I tried them in all of their different ways. All right, so let me know, Dana. I already know that you, and this again, Dana, thank you. This was the combo for twist outs. This was it. So thank you for the suggestion. Okay, so yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you ever tried the Comeback Kid and the Homecurl Curl Defining Cream for a twist out, braid out, twade out, for anything that involves twists. That's not a wash and go. Let me know how they worked for your hair. All right, make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. I've always got something to share. The end of the year is coming. Feel free to share this out if somebody may be interested in how the Comeback Kid and the Homecurl Cream works for tighter textures and twist outs. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one. And my bed's still ain't made. And I'm about to upload this now and upload it for tonight. Whew, I need to wash my face. Okay, it has been a day.